Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz Vito. So from any screen, if we go over here to telephone, you see telephones at the bottom. You've got Navi Audio or telephone. You can actually select by clicking the up arrow, select the top menu and select telephone by clicking on the rotary control. But we want telephone down here at the bottom. So click down onto telephone, select Bluetooth telephones. It's showing my phone there. You've got another menu over here, so if you click to the right then select, it brings up another menu, deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Yes. That's it. So select the one you want to delete. You see the menu on the right there, or the sign that says you can get to another menu. Click the right arrow, select, deauthorize. Yes, that's it.